Hey you, I love you. Here, sleep it over. Hey you, I love you. Hey you, I love you. Ba ba ba. Hey you, I love you. Ooh. Hey you, woo woo. Hey you. Hey you, I love you. I'm finna make me some breakfast. Come on in the room. I'm finna make some breakfast. No, ain't none of it for you. I'm finna make me some breakfast. And then I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I told y'all I was coming right big. I told you I was coming right big. Hey, sugar bug. Oh, y'all can make me a couple pancakes. I really need to do a deep clean in my kitchen. Move my stove and all of that. You know how you know you should be doing those things, and then when it's time to really do, you be like, I'm not doing that shit. I do it, but it ain't gonna be today. You know what I mean? I'ma do it, but it ain't gonna be today. It ain't gonna be today. No, it's not. Oh, and I know it needs to get done, and I'ma do it. And I'ma do it. But it ain't gonna be today. No, baby. Let me tell you something. Your favorite drag queen is tired, honey. Tired, honey. Oh, I ain't doing it. Should I be doing it? Yes. Yes. Yes, I should. I know I should. I know I should. What me? Shame. I ain't doing it. Mm-mm. 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 I might do a couple things today. I know I do have to go. Oh shit! Make my way over the bench. I was supposed to go and support the baseball team today. They got a game. How y'all feeling? Hey, Louis. Hey, Alicia. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Girl, I love it. I love it. Yeah, but sometimes you got to do it. There are certain things like I'm trying to build a show. You got to work for it. And sometimes you got to sacrifice. Okay, well, I got to go because I got to show that I'm serious. You know, I got to show that I am committed. You know. Because I enjoy having a crowd. It's just you, Brazil. How many you don't eat? Okay. Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Really enjoyed you last night. We're the crew that came from Bakersville, and we'll be back. Ah! Thank you, Nina! Girl, y'all left before we got a picture or anything. Are y'all gonna do brunch? Did y'all want to do? Hold on, Jim Shoe. Wait a minute. I need you. Don't. What are you doing? You cooking too fast. The ones who like your shoes, the ones are almost 70. Oh, baby, y'all had came and showed out. Y'all left before we got a picture or anything. I'm so sorry. Y'all still here? Y'all gone? Y'all headed back home? But they came all the way from Bakersville. Girl, drove off. Girl, talk about making a person feel good. I said, wait, what? Yes, I done drove down the Silver Eye. Ain't that crazy? Now, Bree, outside, having herself a time. Outside. Because the door is open. But if the door wasn't open, like if I close that door, she's going to want to come inside. But if I open the door, she's going to be outside. Oh, y'all did say y'all leave tomorrow. That's right. You did tell me that. Y'all want to meet at, we'll be back in July for sure, but maybe before then. Okay. What y'all got going on today? Y'all want to meet at Bent for, the brunch? I know I'm already cooking my breakfast. And I was going to go to bed, but I come meet you for brunch. You want to do brunch? Hey, Mama Rita, how you doing, baby? How you feeling, Suge? Girl, we had, it was such a good night. Such a good night. Oh my God, we ain't got no syrup. I gotta walk to go get some syrup. No, I don't. Hell, I do. I'm gonna order some syrup today. Girl, what she see? I couldn't tell you if I tried, girl. She don't. Just let her do her thing, girl. Just let her do her thing, girl. Y'all need anything? What am I cook for dinner? I done cut the damn thing. I ain't, oh my Lord, Jesus, help us, Lord. There ain't nothing in it. Okay. I know I should have took baby to work. Y'all need anything from the store? From Albertsons? You said pregnancy test. Okay. Oh, I wasn't supposed to say it out loud. I'm sorry. Yeah. I got it, okay. Sour cream. Okay, I got I got your chips. They coming. They coming. So I'm gonna make my make a chicken version, chicken and sausage version of my hamburger helper today. We already got 3 boxes of the 500. I done made this crepey. You'll be here in 12 days. Oh! What, in 12 days? What's this? Let's see. Are you gonna miss me? What day do you get here? That's right. On the 18th? Oh, that's 14 days. You got a 16th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, so you gonna be here for my show on the 17th? You gonna be here for my show on the 17th? Yes, I did get your Pepsi and a bag of Doritos. Yeah, I sure did. Now, I ain't know which ones you got. So I just got the regular ones. Is that all right? Oh, y'all had a feast, Jennifer. Special occasion, or you just felt like cooking? My math is horrible this morning. I'm sleepy. Shoot. Well, my show is on Saturday. RuPaul's Drag Race Live is a really good show, though. You're going to enjoy it. It's a good show. They are amazing. The girls are very, very talented. It's a really good show. I think you're going to enjoy it. I know I did. Oh, that's nice. It's gonna be a good time, Patrick. I will. I will send you the make sure you get it, honey. I'm about all out of butter. I'm about all out of butter. Is they starting to get my stuff here? Come on now. Shopping has started. That's right. Hurrah. That's right. Hurrah. I'm cooking my stuff slow. So that way. But I'm trying not to snack. Ain't that horrible? Because I want to make sure my still too loose, but I ain't gonna put no more in there. So it's already more than what I want to make. Okay. Oh, what are your plans? The hotel will hold your stuff. I don't know if they're gonna. They might let you check in. They might let you check in. Some of them don't. But for the most part, you should. I mean, depends. It depends on how busy they are, I guess. Now I can take you to the right dispensaries. Definitely can. You know, I'm down for a dispensary trip. Okay. I like my pancakes to be small because I like to dip them. But then it's Vegas, child. You can get this dispensaries everywhere. Everywhere. But what I will tell you is, on the strip, close to the strip, you're going to pay more. You're going to pay more. You're going to pay more. More. They're going to get you, girl. They're going to get you, girl. They see y'all coming a mile away. They see your flights landing literally about a mile away. They see y'all coming a mile away. They say, oh, a new group of people coming from states where it ain't legal, coming in. They are coming right here. We're going to tax them. And they definitely be taxing. Oh, Lord. Good morning, honey. How's everybody doing? I know that in some of y'all time zone, it's real late in the afternoon. Y'all like, what? Making breakfast? It's just now 11 o'clock. So since about making brunch. You know, I had my show last night, which was amazing, if you were wondering. I woke up. I wasn't so tired. I probably would have woke up and made my husband breakfast as well. I woke up and cut his head off. I woke up and cut his head off. Oh, it's in the 60s here. It is in the 60s here, honey, and I don't like it. I got my door open, but... Okay, Patrick. I ain't gonna use it until you in town, but alright. And you still gonna have to remind me. You gonna have to hit me up and be like, hey, we get there in the morning. I guess I can make one more. Just remind me, darling. You bet, motherfucker. I don't know about that. I don't know about this one. Send this a little too dense for me. Send it back over here. Just cook up on this hot bread on him. Oh, definitely hot on now. All right, y'all. My breakfast is ready. I am gonna do a video of me eating, so I'm gonna wait till my stuff get here though. They checking out. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I love you. Hope that you love yourselves, and please, please, please love those around you. Deuces.